Quantitative estimation. We require 250 ml standard flask, 250 ml conical flask, solid sodium carbonate, hydrochloric acid, methyl orange, weighing bottle, weighing balance, funnel, glass rod, burette, 20 ml pipette. Take a weighing bottle. Place it on an electronic balance. Tar the balance. Take a small amount of sodium carbonate using a spatula. Put the sodium carbonate into the weighing bottle. Exactly 2.65 grams of sodium carbonate. Remove the weighing bottle from the balance. Carefully transfer the contents into a 250 ml beaker. Wash the weighing balance with distilled water. Pour the water into the beaker. Repeat this 2 or 3 times. Gently stir the contents in the beaker using a clean glass rod till the sodium carbonate gets dissolved. Transfer the entire solution from the beaker into a 250 ml standard flask using a funnel and a glass rod. Wash the beaker. Transfer the washings into the standard flask and wash the glass rod as well. Wash the funnel with distilled water and also fill the standard flask with distilled water so that the water level is just below the mark on it. Pipette out a small volume of distilled water. Add the last few drops of distilled water using the pipette until the lower level of the meniscus just touches the mark on the standard flask. Stopper the standard flask. Shake gently to make the sodium carbonate solution uniform throughout. 0.1 m sodium carbonate solution. Titration. Fix a clean burette on a burette stand and place a funnel over the mouth of the burette. Take the bottle containing HCl. Pour a small amount of HCl into the burette through the funnel. Remove the funnel and take the burette from the stand. Rinse the burette with HCl. Take the burette to the sink and open the stopcock to drain the washings from the burette. Then, fix the burette on the stand and place a funnel over the mouth of the burette. Then, take HCl. Fill the burette with HCl just above the 0 mark using the funnel. Set the initial burette reading as 0. Take a 20 ml pipette. Pipette out a small volume of sodium carbonate solution. Then rinse the pipette with sodium carbonate solution. Pipette out sodium carbonate solution from the standard flask just above the mark on the pipette. Bring the volume to 20 ml by slowly releasing the finger. Now, transfer the 20 ml sodium carbonate solution into a conical flask. Touch the tip of the pipette at the bottom of the conical flask to transfer the remaining solution from the pipette. Add 2 drops of methyl orange into the conical flask. The color of the solution in the conical flask becomes yellow. Place the conical flask on a white tile under the burette. Then titrate it against the HCl taken in the burette till the color of the solution changes from yellow to light red on addition of the last single drop of HCl. Note the final burette reading and repeat the titration until concordant values are obtained. Observations. Calculations.